Hello?
Huh? Oh, hi. Oh, sorry for the racket. We can't help ourselves whenever someone walks by. Don't mind us.
Okay, see ya. Come on, pencil.
Pencil? Hey, hold on a second. Don't suppose you could help an old crotchet out?
What's a crotchet?
I'm a crotchet. A type of musical note. We all are.
We?
It's okay, folks. Come on out. These are my musical buddies. We've got minims, a few quavers. We've got a semi-breve over here. That one's a bit of a show-off, if you ask me. I'm Colin, the crotchety crotchet. And you are?
Doodle Girl.
Wow, very creative.
Excuse me?
Sorry. They don't call me crotchety for nothing.
Right. So, you said you needed help?
Sorry, I'm always forgetting. Without our clef, we're hopeless. We just drift off.
Would you mind slowing down a bit? I don't know what a clef or a crotchet is.
Okay, let's start over. So this river we live in, it's called a stave. Staves are always made up of different lines, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On staves, you'll find all kinds of different notes.
Like a crotchet.
That's right. Crotchets are a type of note. And when you put us all together, we play different tones to the beat. And that makes music. We crotchets usually play one beat each. Then there's quavers. They play half beats. They're usually pretty quick. And of course, semi-breves. Such a show-off. The different lines on the stave tell us what note to play. So when I'm here, I play this note. And when I'm here, I play this note.